Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. This is the all-new Huawei P40 Pro. In this exclusive video right here in Sri Lanka, I'm gonna be unboxing the new Huawei P40 Pro, and let me give you guys an overview of what you get when you pick up this phone. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and share this video with your friends, and let's get started with today's video. So as you guys can clearly see, I have a sealed box of the new Huawei P40 Pro box right here. So it's wrapped in plastic, and on either side it says P40 Pro, and at the top it says TRCSL approved. So now let me quickly go ahead and get rid of this plastic, and here we have the box of the P40 Pro. So now let me go ahead and lift up the box. So here we have the P40 Pro sitting right here at the top, and I have the gold color version of the P40 Pro right here. The device is nicely tucked in this plastic sleeve, so let me keep that to the side for just a sec and show you guys what also comes inside this box. Inside this pouch we get the Huawei warranty card, then we get the quick start guide, and we also get the familiar TPU case that we have always been getting from Huawei. We also get the SIM ejector pin right here. And now, keeping all of this to the side, inside the box we get the supercharge compatible 40-watt fast charger along with a USB Type-C cable and headphones. Now let me go ahead and peel off this plastic wrapping of the phone and get the naked device to my hand. So here I have the new Huawei P40 Pro, looking sleek. Looks pretty nice in this champagne gold color. So let me go ahead and power it on for the very first time right now by holding on the power button, and it says Huawei and powered by Android at the bottom. After the welcome chime, we see EMUI loaded up. So now I can go ahead and set up this phone really fast. I can go ahead and log into my Huawei account, which is core because this phone doesn't come with Google Play services. So you won't be able to get that right out of the box. You won't have the Google Play Store right out of the box. But don't worry, because I'm going to be showing you guys in another video how you can install the Google Play Store and make this phone your own by enabling all of those Google services on your device. If you guys want to see that, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and let me know, because I'm going to be bringing you guys that video along with the full review of the Huawei P40 Pro right here in Sri Lanka very soon. After going through the setup process, now we are loaded into the P40 Pro. Now let me go into the settings area and show you guys that this indeed is the Huawei P40 Pro. This is running the latest version of Android 10, along with the latest version of EMUI. Now let's go ahead and start talking about the specs of the P40 Pro. Talking about the display, this is a 6.58-inch display, which is an OLED display. And what's new here is that Huawei is stepping up its game when it comes to the refresh rate, because this has a 90Hz refresh rate, not 120Hz like the S20 series as well as the OnePlus 8 Pro, but 90Hz is still not that bad. Talking about the processor, this phone packs the latest Kirin 990 processor, which is a 5G capable processor, and it also has the 16-core Mali G76 GPU. The P40 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM as well as 256GB of internal storage, and you can also use Huawei's nano memory cards to increase that storage up to another 256GB. Talking about the cameras, at the back we have a 50MP ultra vision camera, which is a wide angle camera, and that has an aperture of f1.9. Then we also have a 40MP cine camera, which is the ultra wide angle camera with an aperture of f1.8. And we also get a 12MP super sensing telephoto camera with the P40 Pro with an aperture of f3.4. At the back we also get a 3D depth sensing camera to top everything off. The P40 Pro supports up to 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second. Talking about the front facing camera, we have a 32MP selfie camera with an aperture of f2.2, and we have a bigger punch hole here because the P40 Pro also has a depth camera right here. Talking about the battery, the P40 Pro comes with a 4200 mAh battery, and the P40 Pro supports 40 watts watt super fast charging as well as 27 watt wireless Huawei supercharging. The P40 Pro is IP68 dust and water resistant, and it packs the latest specifications, and it also has a IR blaster at the top. So I'm gonna be using the Huawei P40 Pro as one of my primary smartphones, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys my full review of the P40 Pro right here on Andro Dollar, and I will let you guys know about the good and the bad of this device and whether you should go ahead and spend your hard-earned money to pick up this smartphone. Let me know what you guys think about the Huawei P40 Pro and whether you will actually pick this up, because this doesn't have the Play Store. I'm actually curious to know your answer. If you guys are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now and hit on that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be one of the first people to see when the final review of the P40 Pro drops. And if you guys have any other video requests featuring the P40 Pro, let me know by dropping a comment as well. You can follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.